Good evening and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. I have a watch list of 180 stocks plus, of which I have it categorized into areas of interest, and I run a routine each night to scan for RSI signals, MACD signals, trending signals, and this is a trending signal as well, whether it's up or down above its 50-day moving average or below. If it's up above the 50-day moving average, that makes a good sign of a uptrend. I've already looked at these stocks here, quickly looked at them, and I'm not interested in any kind of Forex stocks. I was not interested in Airbnb, Forex. This is a mining stock, but I am interested in maybe some of these stocks here, particularly Marvel and Albemarle. Althea is also a stock that I would look to buy after it has taken a wild ride down. But the two stocks that I'm going to talk about tonight are Marvel and briefly Albemarle. Today, the stock market was relatively flat and the technicals took a rest. The Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all were down. You can see by the heat map that today might have been a good time for buying some technicals, Apple included. Energy sector was really hot, and technology was very cold. But for the week, energy again, and it started taking some slowdown in technology. I think it's a very good buying opportunity for technology, particularly stocks that do 5G and green stocks. Also green energy. Marvel makes semiconductors for 5G. Going to be a big player in the Internet of Things. It's headquartered in Bermuda. It's currently trading at $50.40, very close to its 50-day moving average and under its 20. It has an earnings date of March 3rd. I don't usually like to trade around earnings date. The target price is $53.04, so it's got some room to grow. Just looking at this chart here, I would see this as a buy at 49. It's got a forward PE and a PE that's positive. It is optionable. I like that. Has some book value. Basically, Marvel develops and sells circuit boards that are used in 5G. This is an article that was written recently, February 10th. Top tech stocks to buy amid a strong earnings and bullish outlook. And it lists Marvel as one of those stocks. It has a very good quarter, and this stock is growing. The projected sales growth is around 13% over the next quarter. Investors Business Daily also lists Marvel as a very good growth stock, and they're predicting explosive growth in the cloud computing and 5G network rollouts. It's a stock for the future. Let's take a closer look at the stock. This line is the 50 MA, and this line is a 200. I think this will be an excellent buy at 49 and 48. According to the zigzag, we've just started a downtrend. It may continue for a few days. Who knows? Technology did not perform well today. But overall, I think this is stock based on the trend lines as a buy. And so I'm not going to short this stock. As you can see, I didn't get no indicator, no MACD, and no RSI. But the regime has changed. If you look at this, we had a long upswing, a short downswing, very long up, and a short down. This trend is up, and I don't believe this downtrend is going to last very long. Also, another reason why I'm not going to short this at the moment is there's no momentum. So I'm looking to buy at $49 or $48. This is definitely one that I want to own for the future. The next one I'd like to look at is Albemarle, which does specialty chemicals, particularly lithium that's used in batteries. And you can see this stock has been continually going up over the last few months. And in the last 15 days or so, it has been going down. It's trading at 157. Target price is 134. There's room to come down on this. 134 is down here. It is profitable. Has a forward PE of 38. It has an analyst recommendation of a sell. It does have some book value. This company is profitable, but it looks like it's due for a decline. There's two analyst increases. Deutsche Bank from hold to buy, Citigroup to buy, and they're saying that they're going to grow to 184 to 190. I'm positive on this stock as well. Although this company reported very positive results, its sales growth was little lackluster, and they expect to be better for next quarter. With President Biden pushing green energy and energy-efficient cars, I suspect there'll be a demand. They're pushing to increase their production for next quarter and pushing to increase their sales. Now let's look at the chart. The 50 has been up, the 200 up. These are positive signs. The stock is touching its 50. We had an uptrend here and a downward trend here, and generally an uptrend here. I would not be shorting this stock, but the next 2 days or 3 days might be a chance for do a little bargain hunting. So a support line would be here, and that's about 150. So I'll be looking to buy at 150. The zigzag indicator is currently signaling up, but if this goes down for 2 more days, this zigzag will go red. If it goes down for 2 days, the RSI will be a buy. The MACD signaled a buy here, but they didn't take it because of the downtrend. Now remember, the zigzag, you can't really trade with this because this is a perfect indicator. It never makes a mistake. It's always at the top. It switches. It never makes a mistake. It knows exactly the tops and bottoms, and that's because it looks into the future and does a repaint. Never wrong. Use it for visual. Use it to filter out your noise, but be careful about trading with it. So I'm a buyer of Albemarle at 150. So in conclusion, I'm going to be a buyer of Marvel at 49 and a buyer of Albemarle at 150. If the market declines tomorrow, which is Thursday and Friday, it'd be a good buying opportunity to get into these two stocks. I think these are both long-term stocks that have a future for the next 5 years, especially in 5G and green energy. These are stocks of the future. Please like and subscribe, and catch you next time. And remember to do your own due diligence.